Hi. Hey, I'm going to take a couple of days off because I'm going to write a book. And it's the best way to get this message out. I always, knew that selling the brainwash they were brainwashed was going to be hard, but totally worth it. And I got to get a book as a foundation for this. I'm going to take a few days off on the countdown to the Equinox and get the book so we have something to rally around and get it all going because everybody should have this logic. Everyone should keep their logic. I like my headrest too, though. Oh, a whole thing about the processor, and I'm still putting together all of that. I might do a live here in a day or two. I'll do a live shot or something. We'll do a question and answer, but I'm going to concentrate on a book for a few days, and because I know what to write. I just have to put it in the right order. You just, when you teach skiing, it's, we're skiing the language. And so you have to learn, how to ski on one ski on snow before you can ski on two. And so you can't go past that. There's certain poof, 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 a progression. And so this is what I'm really good at doing is making progressions. And so I'm going to do one. I'm going to use the technology that broke us to fix us. Wow. I love you all. I'll talk to you soon. Go ahead and click what you going to get. Go ahead down there. I love you. Bye bye.